That she is, Candy.
On Kit Kat 3. Melbourne Star avoids the pilot.
I'll tell you what, the road.
Oh, two roadies go down, and Melbourne Star comes screaming through to get past Hannah Wonderful.
That was a fabulous whip that Melbourne Star just received.
Kit Kat runs just across the path. Sneaks through on the inside, takes a hit from Coconut Rock. Kit Kat takes another hit. Melbourne Star comes in to score some points. Wonderful play by Melbourne Star there.
Kit Kat called